Today is Friday, May 30th, 2025. Second green day in a row. Ended the day about 35 bucks in the green, which is like 1.5% of my account. Really good feeling. Really strong way to end the month for me. It's been a while since I've went 2 green days in a row, so I'm super stoked about that. Today I slept in through the pre-market and even through the opening bell. This is a day where I have been working night shifts the previous 2 days. I stayed up about 28 hours yesterday, and then I kind of switched back to normal life last night. I had my alarm set, and I woke up, and I just knew right away there was no way I was going to be able to focus, and I just shut it off and continued sleeping for a little while. That being said, I knew I wasn't going to be able to, rely on a front line of a breaking news stock, so I kind of just focused in on really being smart about making a couple dip trades today. I ended up going basically all in on one dip trade, and I made, I think, about 6 or 7 cents on it. It was the top gainer of the day, and it was just kind of steadily climbing. Watched the chart for about 20 minutes before I kind of committed to where I was comfortable with the way the chart was flowing and the level 2 data, and just a simple base hit dip trade, and that's all it took to get my account to where I needed it for the day. And just a solid feeling, a little bit of confidence builder, 2 green days in a row, and I kind of needed that to get me back on track. I've had a lot of red days this month, and this was a good way to end the month and give me a little boost heading into June. So this is my one and only trade on Friday. This is the ticker BMGL, top gapper of the day. I've been watching this stock for 20, 25 minutes. We've been steadily climbing, kind of flirting with the idea of $4 here. I made my entry on this green candle here. I held for a solid exit point, and that came on just the very next candle. We had a pretty rapid climb here. We hit about the 380 mark, and then we kind of flushed back down. I knew that this was either going to be a reversal or just a little, a small pullback here. That's what we got. I waited for the next candle to start forming, and it started going the right way, so I went ahead and made my entry. I got in at 368, and I was hoping maybe we'd get a couple 3 or 4 green candles in a row to hit that $4 mark. Well, that's not what happened. My next candle, it went up, hit about 387 or so, and then pretty quickly flushed back down. I was able to get out about 374. The level 2 had stacked back up pretty solid around the 74, 75, 76 mark, so it kind of held steady there for a minute, made a solid exit before the mood kind of died off. Pretty happy with that. That's a nice, safe dip trade for me. Made a small amount of profit, got green, got out. Nothing bad to say there.